Welcome to the Vilros Raspberry Pi 5 Complete Starter Kit. Let's get this open and see what's inside. Alright, lots of goodies. The first thing we have here is a micro HDMI to HDMI cable, which is great to hook up a display. And there's a second one, which is good because the Raspberry Pi 5 has two micro HDMI ports. This way we can hook up two different displays. This is just an invoice, we don't need that, we'll put that aside. Then we have the power supply, very important if you actually want to turn it on. And the Raspberry Pi 5 itself. This is the star of the show. And a great case to put the Pi in to protect it and keep it nice and cool. This is the micro SD card that we'll be putting the operating system on. Micro SD to USB adapter. Heatsink to keep things nice and cool in that case. This is the battery pack for a real-time clock if we want to hook that up. Ribbon cable for the camera module if we decide to go with a camera. And a pouch to put parts in when we're carrying them around. That's a good thing to have. And last but not least, we have a Quickstart guide to help us get everything put together and up and running. And there you have it. That is the Vilros Raspberry Pi 5 Complete Starter Kit.